How do? So this is likely to go down like a bucket of sick, but we digress. And as this is going on to YouTube, I am trying my absolute hardest not to swear. So if it sounds like I'm using some bizarre code word, it's not because I'm just trying not to swear. Because apparently, if you swear on YouTube videos, it doesn't get seen as much or something. I don't know. And all I'm trying to do is just promote some good knowledge and no BS. So, and this is how I know it's going to be good because the dog's about to come and join me. So, if it's good enough for the dog, then we're about to make waves. So yeah. Anyway, I digress. Your GP is is not going to be the best person to go to when you want weight management advice. Unfortunately, in the UK, I can't speak for other areas of the world because I live in the UK. But yeah, specifically in the UK, most doctors, whilst studying their doctorate, their sort of degree in medicine, whatever that may be, they actually only on average spend anything between 5 to 8 hours across their whole. I think their like degree, a doctorate is. I think it's about 6 to 8 years studying. But in that time frame, they only have that real um, small allotted hours, shall we say, that they actually learn about nutrition. Now, obviously, a general practitioner is exactly what it says on the tin. They can give you general advice. That doesn't mean that the advice that they're giving you, unfortunately, is coming from the best place, shall we say. Because there will be a lot, or if not a handful, of doctors that maybe have their own surgery, have their own practice, and they get budgets. And a lot of the time, they will get money come through from um pharmaceutical companies, shall we say, and they would like for that doctor to prescribe their medication. So stick with me. If I don't want to name the brands, but there are certain injections that you can actually freely buy over the internet now. You don't actually have to speak to your GP, which is even more worrying. Um, but yeah, these injections are the new weight loss, fat loss, um, quick fix, shall we say. Predominantly, they're aimed at people with type 2 diabetes that genuinely do struggle with weight management. So, if you've got these companies going to your GP and they're saying, take X amount of these, do a turnover of Y, and this is the profit that you will make. Now, I'm not saying this is the case for every single GP, but if you are going to, I don't know, let's look at it a different way. If you have, I don't know, an issue with your heart, you would specifically go and see a doctor, a consultant that is trained specifically in the area of your heart. So for me, I have a liver disease, so I see my liver consultant every 6 months, and her whole practice pretty much is central and centered around the liver disease that I have. So it's primary sclerosing cholangitis, an absolute bugger to spell, by the way. So your GP isn't going to be the best person to speak to for weight management. You'd be far better off speaking to someone who is a nutritionist, someone who's a dietitian, a personal trainer, even a level 2 fitness instructor. Even as a level 2 fitness instructor, which is like the base to sort of like progress, they probably have a far better insight to nutrition than most GPs. But, and I do want to stress, if you genuinely are struggling with weight management, what I would say is have that initial conversation with your GP, but also say to them that you don't want to have a quick fix, i.e., these new injections and stuff that are on the market. You want to speak to somebody who is specifically trained in the area of weight management and nutrition. Let them make the referrals to you so then you can speak to the correct person. Because ultimately, should I be looking right there rather than at myself? I go off on so many random little tangents. What was I saying? Yeah, so ultimately, you want to speak to someone who specifically can help you in your key area. Remember, general practitioner, generalist. A specialist is someone who focuses on a specific area. Now, I myself would consider myself as a specialist in... I'm just really about to trip over my own words there. I think I shocked myself at calling myself a specialist. I don't think I've ever referred to myself as that. But yeah, I am what I would, again, deem as a specialist in helping beginners and comeback kings and queens of the world that are looking to get back into fitness and personal development overall. So looking at your mindset, looking at your nutrition, looking at your sleep, looking at your daily habits, and obviously also exercise. If you would like to get back into fitness or you want to start, and you also want to look at how you can improve your mindset and look at your overall package, your overall lifestyle, please just get in touch. You can email me, info@mindyourfitness.co.uk. Check out the website, mindyourfitness.co.uk. Follow me on socials, ping me a message. I'm most responsive on Instagram, and my social media handles across the board, Mind Your Fitness Official. And what I have at the moment, I have a 12-week program, which I always recommend to any newbie coming through. It's called Strong Body, Stronger Mind. So it, again, is focused predominantly at beginners and comeback kings and queens. But it doesn't necessarily just stop there. Anybody can get involved, get on board. Chill, dog. It's a 12-week program. It's split across 3 different phases. And the first one is centered on sort of foundational movement patterns, understanding sort of the real basics on the movements that you want to incorporate to obviously build and get stronger as we progress. You'll have a weekly video based on sort of mindset and how to improve, and then we have a midweek catch up normally on a Wednesday, and then we have our weekly coaching call on a Thursday at 7 p.m. Now you can get all of that for £249 currently, and it's the 23rd of April 2025 today. That price is not always going to be £249. The likelihood is, due to the cost of living and everything else at the moment, my price will eventually go up, but certainly for the next couple of months I plan on keeping it flat as it is. And I do like to throw the occasional discount in, so follow me on socials, etc., to have a little look. If any discounts, and just follow me and stuff. Share my message. Share it far and wide. So I want to leave you with this one last thing. Okay, nice and easy, nice and simple. One question, and I want you to answer it honestly to yourself and to nobody else. Are you happy with your physical and mental health? Peace.